roll around and then throw it and then catch it. People used to use real guns. Now they use fake weapons for safety. Thank you. Bye.
شكرا يا عمر.
Because they live in the desert and they don't have many clothes. This is rice and spinach, which also means rice and fish, and it contains rice and fish. No, rice and meat.
And this?
This is rice and fish. And this is what? And this is milk. It's cut open fish.
This is a woman's dress. It's called the Sheila. It took inspiration from the old Islam dress, and the burqa on her face is used to cover her face.
This is burqa.
It's made out of skin. This is henna. It's also only used in special occasion. It's used to like celebrate and to show fashion and things like wedding.
What we do as part of tradition is you'd hold it with your left hand, and then you'd hold cups with your right hand, and you'd pour for guests. So you pour it here, and then you give it to a guest. And usually the guest who would be holding one of these, like this, they would usually use hand signals to say, oh, do I want it or not? So if there's someone serving the coffee, like so, they would hold it, and then they would shake it if they don't want more coffee, or they would put it out if they want coffee.
Represents hope, white represents peace, and black represents strength, and red represents courage.